At MINExpo in 2024, we announced to the mining world MacLean was accepting Fortescue's challenge to the industry to be Real Zero by 2040. This is the ambitious timeline we've set for ourselves, 2040, to transform our company and help others in the industry do the same. Hello, my name is Julia Graham. I'm the Senior Marketing Communications Manager at MacLean. I'm also one of 4 MacLean siblings currently working at the company. So when I talk about the future of MacLean and the future of the planet, it is personal to me and my family. We are working to transform MacLean in the 21st century through decarbonization, and through that, helping to build a better future for the planet. You may be wondering what Real Zero is. Simply put, Real Zero is zero emissions produced or released from our direct business activities, eliminating emissions at the source with no carbon offsets. We believe the urgency of climate change requires bold action and participation at all levels of society and government to ensure a sustainable future for mining. This is why Real Zero means eliminating emissions, not just offsetting them. We're going to be focusing on 4 key areas of decarbonization. We're going to champion EV fleets worldwide. We're going to become more energy efficient. We're going to source greener materials. And, like Fortescue, we're going to seek out partnerships that will help decarbonize the mining industry. Our first step was to gather our Scope 1 and 2 emissions footprint so that we could understand where we were starting from.
Collecting our data from our different branches was the main goal, and understanding what those scopes were and how that applies to our business here. So taking some examples from our current reporting standards and applying those to where we see fit, understanding the greenhouse gas protocols, and understanding all that to help put together our scope profiles and our emission breakdowns to help get us in a position to plan our future.
We are also asking ourselves an even bigger question: what's the greatest impact we can make as a company? As we begin to implement our sustainability initiatives across MacLean, we can't help but notice that the biggest impact we can make is to help our customers decarbonize their fleets. Back in 2016, MacLean launched its EV series product line. Since that time, we've sold over 100 EVs, logged 500,000 operating hours, and battery electrified 25 MacLean mining models. So we have a sustainable, robust, and proven solution for our industry to make the EV switch. The savings go beyond the environmental benefits. With BEVs, customers gain productivity, reliability, financial savings when compared to diesel. At MacLean, we have the data from our long-standing customers to show battery equipment delivers a lower cost of ownership. Battery is not only less expensive to own, it's also more productive than diesel. We know that maintenance makes up about 3/4 of the cost of ownership of a machine. With battery, you lower your maintenance cost, which results in lower overall cost of ownership. Making the switch to battery not only improves the productivity of each unit, it also improves our customers' bottom line. We have the proven TCO results to show that a fleet of EVs will both boost productivity and save money. In fact, MacLean conducted a public comparison study that showed an EV fleet was more efficient and more cost-effective than a diesel fleet, consuming 25% less energy. So, battery equipment isn't just the smarter choice for the future, it's the better financial decision today. BEV equipment is more productive, more cost-effective, more reliable, and safer for our customers. So we have a simple message to the mining companies out there who are considering an EV fleet switch. Let's make your fleet and the planet greener, together towards a greener future.